We are in the Licey River. It's $200 per day cheaper than what it was last week. Are you sad we're leaving?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sad. You
I
said
know.
yeah, but you're smiling.
Looking on my back and you are still the same.
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a super quick room tour, and before we get ready to go to bed, we just got here. It's past midnight and let's go. As soon as you walk in, to your left you get the bathroom, and it's me. Your right, across from the bathroom, you got this huge mirror with light, and you can put a lot of stuff. The storage is amazing. We bought so much water and snacks. That's the best thing when we do a road trip, because you can bring anything. And then as usual, they have the full fridge. So that's really nice, because if you stay long, you get leftover, you can eat it later on. And then you have the microwave, more storage, and the coffee maker. And then as usual, you get two honey. And then as usual, you get, that's my husband, so you get two queen bed. And we were probably thinking that we invite my husband's best friend to come sometime in the weekend, so he can probably use the other bed. And then we bought that table from our house. And then you have your TV, another more storage. And I like to bring my husband's pillow, because that's what the pillow he loves to sleep on. This one is just connecting a door of the other room. And then you have this table. I told my husband that I wanted a sunset view. My husband said that it's $200 per day cheaper than what it was last week. So we are happy that we waited for this week to come to holiday resort. So yeah, so this is our view, and we're so ready to go to bed. Let me just wrap things up. I will show you the view tomorrow, and that's going out to the balcony view, so I'll show you that tomorrow. So I'm gonna get ready for bed.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is going to be the travel vlog from our Panama City Beach road trip or summer vacation 2021. So this is the view, what you will see from the sunrise. And the Licey River is ready. The last time we came here, it was not ready yet due to the pandemic, and right now it is ready, and it's so gorgeous. Even the sunrise or sunset, it is worth it. It's so worth it. I know it can get expensive to book the ticket for this hotel, but let me tell you, it is 100% worth it. You will not regret it. Just try it out. And they have so many swimming pool. I think they have about 5 in total. The Licey River, they have the main pool, the kids pool, they have the hot tub or the spa tub, and then they have the kiddie pool, which is got like the fountain. And it is just a very nice family oriented resort, as well as the beach area. It's amazing. It never got crowded, and we really enjoy it. Although it was not many people, because the school already started a week or two ago. So that's why, as you can see in this video, it's not too many people on the beach or at the resort.
We are going to Target and then we stop by at Starbucks. So let's go. Blow me day. Honey. That's not nice. Yeah, there was. I feel so dumb after that. We're in Target. Got Pizza Hut and Starbucks. We are in the Lizzie River. I lost my phone last night and I got it back today. This is crazy, and we have to go across the street to have a dinner. Weather is coming. We're going to eat across the street at what was the name? Firefly. It is our last day and we're about to check out in a few hours. And look at the weather and the wave. Supposed to be later this evening. Bad weather like a hurricane. We're gonna try to leave early. It's Monday and no way someone can swim at the ocean today. Right now it's 6:41 a.m. I bet the surfer likes this kind of weather because it's a bigger wave early, so the pool is not open yet. I think they opened the pool at 8 a.m. So it looks like the only thing you can do is swim at the pool. But usually they're gonna close the pool if the weather is really bad. So we are going to check out now, and the weather is still gloomy. Here's my husband pushing the cart. We got everything out. I was actually not picky in terms of packing it going home because we're just gonna unload it anyway as soon as we get home. But I always bring pillow for my husband because he has a specific. Honey, we're leaving. We're going home. I mean, oh yeah, we're going to unload this one to the car and then we'll grab breakfast downstairs. Yeah, so we went to park our car and now we load everything in, and now we are going to grab our free breakfast before we will head home. And as you can see, I'm using umbrella because it's raining. We're going to eat here for breakfast. Honey, are you sad we're leaving? Yeah, I'm sad. You said yeah, but you're smiling. We're sad, but we can't wait
We're leaving today though, because if we stay,
Yeah, I
then
know.
we might get into
Bad weather. And this is the restaurant inside the hotel, and it's right behind me is the lobby. So this is the breakfast menu. We actually got a free one, but so it's not too bad actually. And I might get the pancakes and coffee. Our breakfast is here. I have coffee and pancake. The pancake actually amazing. It looks like it's the way I like my pancake. And my husband got the potato, bacon, and over medium or easy egg, not cake. And then we're waiting for another plate because I usually just have one pancake with the coffee, and so my husband can have the two pancakes. So we actually finished our breakfast, and my husband and I walking back to the car now to start heading home. Start driving home. And the Hurricane Fred is supposed to landfall tonight, right? Or yeah, so we're gonna try to get out of here before the hurricane landfall. So the beach is actually bad, so you can't really swim anyway. So, and the pool, maybe there's like 2 or 3 people swimming. So we're gonna head home, and safe travel, not just to us but to everyone that are traveling, and be safe. Bye.